Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix mice and other pointing devices missing from Device Manager. First method is right-click taskbar, click Device Manager. Select computer name, click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Human Interface Devices, right-click Input Device, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Human Interface Devices, right-click Input Device, click Disable Device. Right-click Enable Device. Fourth method, type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Type exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.